place at this time where emotion cut my heart. This place is not just school to me, it is my home. A home filled with love, laughter, guidance, and friendship that I will always cherish. Before I begin, I want to thank and take a moment to talk about my classmates. Each and every one of them, we are not just not a class, we are family. Each of us has something unique, something special that defines us. Some are brilliant minds, some are artists, and some are mischievous, and some are the glue that hold us together. We have laughed together, struggled together, and grown together. And honor to these amazing people, I have written a poem and dedicated to my second family. As we stand at the edge of a new start, each of you hold place in my heart. Manikya, the artist with a creative mind, who strokes and sketch one of a kind. Athar, the scholar, so sharp and bright, with wisdom that shines like a guiding light. Rudra with the math whiz, mischievous too, life never dull when I around you. Ayush with manga and Japan is soul, a world of anime make his spirit whole. Chaitanya Adi Chingu, so true a friend like you forever in view. Rahul, as he's not here but I have wrote something. Rahul, my brother, the sportsman, bold with strength and passion worth more than gold. Divas, the lucky one, faith on his side with a smile that's so bright, full of pride. Mohit, the boys, the broke the eyes, made us family warm and nice. Then Kanishka and Divya came too. Not much time, but memories few. In our heart, you will always stay, a part us in every way. Vivek, Bhupesh, Tanish, and Gaurav, my friends so dear, we may not have much time, but I hold you near. Through fleeting moments, smile so wide, you are forever a part of this family pride. Through the laughs, the ups and downs, we build the bond that forever surrounds. Though we may part, but will never stray. Friends for life beyond this day. Now moving on to something just as important, my heartfelt gratitude to the amazing teachers who guided me. First of all, I would like to thank Director Ma'am for giving me admission in Swasthya. Like, you know a lot about me because I've shared you once, and she is the one who always gave me the faith, hope, and always supported me like a I can't even tell you the words. Whenever I'm in the DLM school, I always remember her. Whether she's with me or not with me, but her words always stay with me. So thank you so much, ma'am, for making a family over here for me and giving me all those opportunities and love that you gave me. And my second thanks to Shraddha ma'am. I have no words enough to thank you. You didn't teach me. You didn't just teach me subjects. You taught me life. You introduced me to spirituality, helped me to understand myself, and shaped me to a person today who I am. You are my mentor, my inspiration, and always will. To every teacher who guided me, who believed in me, I doubted myself, who pushed me to better, and who made learning a journey, not a task. Thank you for everything. And of course, I cannot forget my dear juniors. Although they are busy preparing for their boards, I want to take a moment to remind them your time will come soon. Today, they are not here because they are preparing for the boards, of course. But thank you, Ruchi Didi. Thank you so much for inviting me to this paper and giving me a chance over here. Now it's your time. It's become to become your legends, to rule the corridors, to stress over assignments, and to carry the legacy of fun and mischief and last-minute exam panic. Trust me, you will because soon you will have to once standing here giving a farewell speech just like this. As I leave this institute, I take with me not just the knowledge, but friendship, memories, and lessons for a lifetime. This isn't a goodbye, it's just a new beginning. No matter where I go, this will always be my home. Thank you.